Ultima 77859. Okay, here we go. Got a top of the range gasket kit here. Okay, you got all your seals here. Okay, you got 2 for your heads, rocker box gaskets, base gaskets, whatever you're going on, head gaskets, etc. You got your, these are actual head gaskets, so your rocker gaskets, your rubber seals, etc. You got your cam seal, crankshaft. Now if you see these are blue, think because they're pretty, it's because blue is the best. You even get your, this is a complete motor kit. I mean, this is a 95 Screaming Eagle type motor like we're going to do. Okay, so we got a full thing going on here, everything. But you even get your exhaust gaskets, very unusual, your top hats and your other type of seals for the other bikes. But this will cover pretty well any twin cam that you've got. All right, you know, 1450 and 1550 99 to 06. That does cover the Screaming Eagles as well. But these are multi-layer MLS gaskets as well. Can you see they're like made of sheets of metal, and these are metal as well. But if you want good gaskets, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. And as you know, we do rebuilds, we do gear drive conversions, whatever you want. Big S&S motors, Ultimas, spews, we're a specialist for them. Give us a bell, customcruisers.com or 01773835666. Thank you.